Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the second part of our module, which is called Repair Function Generator. And today's topic, we are going to see how to rectify function generator faults. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to fix different faults of a function generator. As we are learning together, I invite each and everyone to take some notes and do a practical exercise with me. Firstly, when we want to identify the defective part of a function generator, we have to remind ourselves about assembling and disassembling. Assembling is the process to fix together separated pieces in order to form one whole. While disassembling is to break down, as you can see at your own screen, one device into many pieces. And now we are going to see the general faults which occur in the function generator. The common faults which occur in the function generator, the first one is the transformer faults. When the performance of this transformer fails is one of the general faults of this function generator. By the use of a digital multimeter, you can test if this transformer is working properly. Secondly, there is a rectifier faults. As you already know that a rectifier is a combination of 4 diodes when one of them or all of them are blown up. In that case, as you can see, by the use of a digital multimeter, you can test this rectifier in order to make sure if it's blown up. And thirdly, there is a smoothing circuit faults. And also, there is regulation faults, as you can see at your own screen. When the regulator, which made this power supply of this function generator, when it's blown up. And lastly, there is a ventilation faults. When the ventilation of this function generator, when it's not responding perfectly. Those are the main common faults of a function generator. And we are going to see 2 main methods used when you want to check the function generator. There are 2 main methods used. The first one is visual checking, and the last one is by the use of a digital multimeter when you do the measurement checking. Those are 2 methods used when you want to check the functionality of a function generator. We are going to see how to fix a function generator faults. Fixing function generator faults techniques. You remind yourselves about soldering and desoldering. When you replace defected component according to the corresponding component, you always remind yourselves the tips about soldering and desoldering. You have also to replace defected component, as I already told you, according to the corresponding one. For example, when there is a rectifier faults, you have to replace the different diode which made this bridge rectifier accordingly, according to the corresponding one. And also, when this regulator is not working properly, you have to replace it according to the corresponding one. That is what is called replacement of defected component according to the corresponding component. And also, you have to remove short and open circuit, as you can see at your own screen. And finally, you have to do what is called assembling, which is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one whole, as you can see at your own screen. Assembling the function generator process, you have to turn off the power and disconnect power cable. And also, you have to do what is called interpretation of the user manual, as you can see at your own screen. And after that, you have to test the functionality of this function generator after repairing. By the use of a digital multimeter, as you can see, you have to do a voltage measurement at different stages of this function generator. And also, you have to do what is called a continuity test at different stage of this function generator. And finally, you have to do what is called functionality testing. You test the way this function generator performs, as you can see at your own screen. While you're done by testing and you find that your function generator is working properly, it means the task to repair a function generator is accomplished. What you have to do, you have to clean the workplace accordingly and to arrange different tools, materials, and equipment according to the type. And also, you have to arrange them according to manufacturer instruction. And after that, you have to clean the workplace accordingly. And also, you have to report the work done. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our module, which is called Repair Function Generator. As we're running together, I hope you keep doing a practical exercise as we're running together. See you next time. Enjoy.